So there you have it, a little brief demonstration of the ARRMA Typhon Grom 1/14 scale. The battery is still charged up. We're like 14 minutes in and she's still ready to go. Thank you for watching this brief demonstration of the new RC that we acquired here at No Pros RC. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when we drop new videos. All right, it is a beautiful 60-degree day outside, and spring's coming, y'all. We'll see you on the next one, y'all. Be easy. Peace.